What's something that hurts a lot and most people deal with, but is still too taboo to be talked about in society? Hemorrhoids. I know that hemorrhoids are not fun, and that's why in this video I'm going to share 7 tips on how to treat them in the comfort of your own home. Welcome back, all you fantastic booties and buttholes. I'm Carrie, your tushy enthusiast and your better booty advocate. Today's video is all about how to treat those super painful and annoying hemorrhoids. But before we get to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about gut, butt, poop health, as well as all things tushy. And hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new fantastic videos. First of all, about 3 out of every 4 adults have hemorrhoids at some point in their life, so you're definitely not alone. If you're looking for a more in-depth video about hemorrhoids, the different types, what causes them, and how to prevent them, definitely check out our other video linked in the description below. But first, before we get into the tips, I want to give a quick recap on what exactly hemorrhoids are so that we're all on the same page. Hemorrhoids are swollen veins in your anus and your lower rectum, pretty similar to what varicose veins are, and you can have internal hemorrhoids on the inside of your rectum or external hemorrhoids under the skin around the anus. So doctors can actually treat your hemorrhoids with techniques that cut off the blood supply and shrink them, or there are outpatient surgeries that can be done to remove them. But the main reason why you're here is to get 7 tips on how to treat them at home and to stop that booty from being in so much pain as quick as possible without getting invasive medical procedures. All right, let's get to it. Tip number 1, witch hazel. Am I the only one who thought that witch hazel was only supposed to be used on your face? Anyways, witch hazel is a topical astringent made with leaves and bark of the witch hazel shrub, and it's known to reduce itching and pain, and since it's a natural anti-inflammatory, it actually tightens the skin, it brings down inflammation, and it slows bleeding. You can use it in the liquid form and directly apply it to your hemorrhoid, or you can actually buy anti-itch wipes and soaps that have witch hazel in them for more relief. Tip number 2, Epsom salt and glycerin. So this is a great home remedy to reduce swelling and to bring down the pain. So you just have to buy these 2 products and make a compound and apply it directly to your inflamed hemorrhoid. Here are the steps on how to use the mixture. First, mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt with 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Apply the mixture to a gauze pad or a cotton pad and then place it on the painful bum area. Just leave this on the area for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can repeat every 6 hours until the pain subsides. Tip number 3, Sitz baths. So a Sitz bath is a small bowl that fits right over your toilet and offers a convenient way to soak and soothe your bum. Basically, it's just soaking in a warm bath for about 10 to 20 minutes several times a day, and it helps you relax your anal muscles. You can buy Sitz baths at any local pharmacy. Doctors at the Cleveland Clinic even said that this is one of the best proven at-home treatments for hemorrhoids. Tip number 4, use a cold compress. So I know that we literally just talked about using warm water and now I'm switching to cold, but using an ice pack or a cold compress can relieve swelling, especially for large painful hemorrhoids. So hold a cold compress on the hemorrhoid for about 15 minutes at a time. Always remember to wrap the ice or cold compress in a cloth or a paper towel so you aren't applying something frozen directly on your anus. Tip number 5, use over-the-counter ointments and creams. So ointments and creams are probably the most widely known treatments for hemorrhoids because I think everyone's maybe heard of preparation H. Ointments like this offer immediate relief by reducing the swelling and helping your hemorrhoids heal faster. It contains an ingredient called phenylephrine, and it works by temporarily narrowing the blood vessels in the area, thus decreasing your swelling and discomfort. I've even heard of a secret life hack that if you use preparation H cream on your face, it reduces swelling in the bags under your eyes. Tip number 6, stool softeners and fiber supplements. This tip doesn't necessarily apply directly to the hemorrhoid, but it does make it easier and less painful on them while they're trying to heal. So taking a stool softener or fiber supplement will help reduce constipation and make it easier for you to have a quick, painless bowel movement. That way, you aren't straining or irritating the hemorrhoid every single time you poop, preventing them from healing. Tip number 7, use a Tushy bidet and ottoman. So after you go, even if it was a nice, smooth, and easy poop, wiping with toilet paper can just irritate your hemorrhoid all over again, and now you're back at square one. And that's where having a Tushy bidet and ottoman can be a real lifesaver or ass saver when you're struggling with hemorrhoids. The Tushy ottoman is a stool that helps you strain less and have easier and fuller elimination. So you just prop your feet up when you're about to poop, and it gets your body in the optimal pooping position to help you have better poops with less strain. And as you may know, straining causes hemorrhoids. We actually have a whole video discussing how the ottoman works and the anatomy in your body, body, so definitely check that out. But now, onto the bidet. Washing with the Tushy bidet after pooping can help relieve and heal your hemorrhoids. The gentle stream of water that washes your bum post-poop actually helps you clean out any tears and wounds on your butt from your hemorrhoids instead of making them worse like with dry abrasive toilet paper. So after you wash, all you need to do is pat dry with a little bit of toilet paper, or you can pat dry with our reusable bum towels. Overall, I just want to say I'm so sorry that you're dealing with these painful assholes. Literally. This stuff is no fun to talk about, let alone actually to deal with, but don't worry, you aren't alone, and there's plenty of ways to go about treating your hemorrhoids for fast relief so that you can get back to your painless, happy, hemorrhoid-free life. To learn more about the Tushy bidet, ottoman, or our other Tushy products, head over to HelloTushy.com/vlog, or you can check out some of the other videos linked in our description. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that bell so you're notified every single time we post new videos. And I want to invite you to join our Facebook group called the Tushy Movement. You can actually join via the link in the description below, but we are a collective of pooping humans from all around the world chatting and learning and sharing more about gut health, bidet life, butt stuff, sustainability, and more. And I hope to see you in there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you booties and buttholes next time. Happy pooping!